Creativity. So we want our website
Nobody asked
to
for
be as dynamic
ads.
as we are.
Terrible. They're gonna be all up in my video.
Open up, you OPN. Bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends.
Hola! So today I'm showing you guys my wash and go routine. This is right after a fresh wash and deep condition. So let's get started. I'm starting on the back and I will start to show you the products I'm using. The leave-in conditioner I use is called Mix Chicks. It's by Mix Chicks leave-in conditioner. It's kind of expensive, but I really love it on my hair. And the Lotta body curl definer, Activate Me curl activator. Yeah, I love that. Big.
First off, oh my God, can you let me do what I need to do?
I really love that product. It's super thick, but it really holds onto my hair and really defines my curls. So I part my hair into 4 sections. I almost always work in 4 sections. It's what's easiest for me and makes sure I coat all of my hair. And I just make sure I coat every bit of my hair with the product. Curls popping. I'm feeling good.
I look poor.
You get to see a little bit of my personality in this. I really love music, so I hope you enjoy it.
Show you how. This is the site I created for my ad agency. We're all about creativity. So we want our website
Nobody asked
to
for
be as dynamic as we are.
They're gonna be all up in my video. And this is me turning around to show you exactly how I comb through my hair after I fangle detangle. I just like to ensure I have as little tangles as possible whenever I'm doing a wash and go. The yellow stuff you see me putting on my hair is actually shea butter, raw African shea butter. I thought I included a clip of the top of the lid, but I guess not. But that's what it is. I got it off Amazon.
Have you ever had bacon and syrup?
I'm not finished.
If you can't tell by now, this is my favorite part of this song. Shout out to Chris Brown. Now after I put the product on all my hair, I make sure I go through every section one more time and I detangle it. Because detangling is the key to making my wash and go last. Moisturizing and detangling. Otherwise there ain't no wash and go. Because it's going to be tangled and matted and dry. So this is me just reapplying more of that thick curl activator. I don't really need it, but it just helps keep my curls defined even longer. So yeah, this really doesn't take me that long without all the dancing. It probably takes me like 10 minutes period to do this. So yeah, look at me looking cute. Okay, go sis.
Like, what is this? I'm gone. Psych, I'm back. I just want to tell you that you cute as a make my give me kill.
Now at this point, at least 30 minutes have passed, so this is what my wash and go ends up looking like on the first day. And I like to do my edges when my hair is a little bit dry because they just hold better. But I don't always do my edges. I find that using a lot of edge control and gel on my edges doesn't necessarily aid in the growth and health of them. But yeah, if I'm going somewhere, I'll do them maybe. Yep, so this is basically it. If you do recreate it or use any of my tips, take pics and tag me in those. Alright? You guys have a blessed day. Peace out.
Let me spell it for you. Friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere and anytime at all.
Down here in the deep blue sea. It's completely idiotic.